Hi, I'm Sanika,
And I'm Tanishta.
and we're here to find out who has better matcha recommendations.
AI versus local.
Let's find out.
I have never had matcha before, only seen it.
I've kind of had it like thoda thoda
I'm just hoping it does not taste like grass because that's all I hear.
and not like very dawai type.
Unpopular opinion, but I'd say chai also. I was really surprised. You should try it.
I am actually shocked that we're here not having chai but matcha instead.
Yeah, it just feels wrong somehow.
Yeah,
I think I will order the classic matcha.
I think I've always seen strawberry matcha, so I think that'll be a good one to start off with.
Classic matcha is for 309 rupees.
For chayos, it's a bit too much, I feel.
I know it's expensive, but is it like 300? Then I do not think I can ever be a matcha girl.
This is not mixing.
I think chayos है तो उनको चाहिए कि ऐसे करे चाय जैसे.
I am not getting what I'm expecting to be matcha taste. It is literally tasting like matcha flavored milk, like those Tetra packs.
Energy दूँ.
Haan.
चुस्ती फुर्ती और शक्ति के लिए बॉर्नवीटा बहुत जरूरी है.
Can you call this matcha? Because I'm not sure.
It's very sweet. There is that matcha taste, but it's not like premium. It's like
Why don't you taste this one?
I've had strawberry matcha. No matcha taste, just like Mapro strawberry jelly.
Yeah, this is giving macro yogurt.
So let's move on to our next AI recommendation, which is
Bougie Cafe. Honestly, I'm really excited for this because I've been to Bougie multiple times for their coffee and sandwiches, and it's always crowded, always full, always hyped, but for a reason.
Okay.
So I'm expecting कि उनका matcha भी hype से live up हो.
there's like coconut water matcha. We haven't had that.
Very
More
bougie,
healthy.
in fact.
Very bougie.
Very bougie. There's also iced mango matcha. Love
Yeah.
that. Do you love
I love but I'm very picky with it. Just like other things in life, I like only Ratnagiri Hapus.
Oh wow.
All of them are for 350. This one looks like algae in water. I'm sorry, but this one looks nice. This one looks like cassata ice cream. Very strong.
You know what this tastes like? Have you had the Amras ice cream?
Like
it tastes
mango
like
lolli-
that.
Oh no, matcha taste you have.
Matcha is representing it's nice. It's like you get the mango taste, like it's like a burst of mango in your mouth, and then
Yeah.
the matcha slides in at the end,
That's nice.
which is nice. It's smooth.
Here, the matcha taste is hitting you, and then little coconut water is like, which I don't like. I think I like creamy matcha, so if they add like a coconut cream
Yeah.
or something like that, then it would balance it out. I don't think I'll have this again, but I will have the mango one again. Let's move on to our next local recommendation.
There's this little cafe called Drink, and I personally love pistachio stuff, so you should try the Habibi matcha. It's amazing.
So we're here at a drink, DRMK, I don't know what it's called.
Drink.
Kyoto matcha. It's like with sweet milk, just sweet milk and matcha. So I have that.
I'm feeling a bit experimental, and I am lately been on a pistachio run, and I just saw they have a drink called the Habibi, which is a pistachio matcha. Why not? I'm hoping it tastes like a Dubai chocolate.
Cute matcha.
Oh my god. My matcha is like Van Gogh painting. Like, what the heck? There's pistachio crumbs on the top. It could not get more luxurious. I've never seen a better matcha look like this.
The Kyoto matcha was for 345.
And the Habibi was for 495. And I'm not tasted yet, but I gotta say it looks like the price, so I'm not disappointed. The matcha came through, and it came through with a cream, and that has got to be the most heavenly taste I've ever tasted.
This has that, I don't know, butterscotch ice cream type of a thing on the top.
And also you can taste the pistachio. What the heck?
Pista ka drink kahan se aa raha hai?
And I just saw they have a drink called the Habibi, which is a pistachio matcha.
This is full like nutty, matcha,
Yeah.
creamy. I think this is so rich and so like packed with flavors. And that is like, has only two flavors of cream and matcha, but it's still so good.
It's so good. Whoever said it tastes like grass, I think you need to get a tongue check because your taste buds are not in the right place.
If you don't like matcha yet, I think you should just have it from the right place and you'll
For
love
sure.
it.
I think I am on this train. I boarded.
Yeah.
I'm locked in. Now that we tried this, it's time to go to our next AI recommendation.
Which is Mokai. If you're matching our vibe so far,
Don't forget to subscribe to BuzzFeed India.
Guys, these people have their matcha menu. Whisk your own matcha. Wow, they even tell you how to make it.
so our drinks are here.
The bear is on this.
Even if it doesn't taste that good, then I'll be fine because
I'll
it
be
looks
fine.
pretty.
Smooth. It's rich. You can taste the matcha. The blueberry is it's present. Verdict?
Kadu hai. Yeah, it's somehow thoda sa bitter, but I think
Okay.
matcha is supposed to be that.
Yeah.
I want the popa.
Popa.
Topping boba to pop in my mouth.
Your face is giving a lot of emotions.
The blueberry is good. There is some part of the drink, not the whole drink, some part of the drink which is bitter. Overall, it's a nice taste, but beach mein hi it's becoming kadwa. But we're finally trying.
The bear one. Also, look at how cute the cup is. I
Yeah.
might just steal it.
It's very warm, calming me down.
Yeah, taro one is more up my alley. I generally feel like I'm liking the sweeter versions of matcha.
The taro boba is for 375.
And the vanilla hot one is 350.
I'm comparing everything to chai, uska 300 rupees ka basic.
So this is very well priced, I would say.
Let's move to our next local recommendation, which is
So I'm not really a matcha girl, but if it's matcha, you must try Masa. So Masa is this small bakery inside of Pictionary bookstore.
rainwater is coming inside. Mike will get wet.
My shirt is
Wait a
getting
minute.
wet.
Just thinking we should have taken a cab just for the vibes. But I was like, no yaar, rickshaw mein jayenge.
This is turning into quite a hassle.
We are at Saturday, which is inside a bookstore, and hence what's going quiet. So they had like acha khas options. We got the ones that we haven't tried yet, which is a dirty matcha.
Dirty in the sense there's a shot of espresso in it.
And the other one, third rose matcha. What if it's like Ruabza?
This is the dirty matcha. I can see why it's called that. Like
Yeah.
it looks dirty.
This
This looks so pretty, but where is the pink?
Where's the pink? Where's the rose? It tastes like the rose spray that you put on your face.
I need water.
I do taste the espresso and it is overpowering the matcha, which
Matcha ko
makes it
finally kisi ne hara diya.
exactly.
The rose one though is fine. I will not have the espresso one again.
The rose one is not my thing. I won't be trying that anytime soon.
Also, like if you like the vibe of like quiet places, like cafes, but not like people chitter around you, like us.
Justin Bieber in the background. This is a good.
This is a place for you. So let's go to our next AI recommendation, which is
Tokyo Matcha Bar. Quite a lot of options.
so they have also a section which is for the gram. मतलब तुम जानते हो कि हम यहाँ के videos बनाएंगे and that's why you're giving us like why are you calling us out? It's our job. I think one को we should get for the gram.
This is the double chocolate matcha.
And this is the social butterfly matcha which actually has a butterfly. It's edible butterfly.
It's turning into not a very good color. It's looking like Shrek.
I'm handy to be very precise.
It's actually like the chocolate is well mixed.
It's like chocolate milk में थोड़ा matcha डाला है. Somehow this is the first drink where nobody is overpowering anybody. Believe me, जितना गंदा वो दिख रहा है उतना ही अच्छा वो है. Now it would be so ironic.
This
Sucks. Not sweet, no flavor, just matcha. I think it's
Yeah,
just for the gram. I'll have the chocolate one again. This, no, I got pictures, I got videos for my gram, I'm done. So this might look more expensive, but this is
$3.90 and this is just $4.25.
AI really shocked me with the recommendations.
There was like a proper balance. Like mostly all of the AIs were pretty nice. With locals, it was a hit and miss. Which one was your favorite?
Tokyo Matcha Bar. That double chocolate matcha just threw me off. It was so good.
I think my favorite was drink.
And the winner for
This edition for AI versus local is AI. I'm scared of this win. Just keep giving us recommendations and don't take our jobs. We love you.
Let us know down in the comment sections which variation of matcha you like to try.
And don't forget to subscribe to
BuzzFeed India.